We launched Peace TV English in Jan 2006. Peace TV Urdu, we launched in June 2008, about 2.5 years later. And after about 2.5 years later, we launched the third channel, Peace TV Bangla, in April 2011, which is about 2 years and 3 months old today. So the English channel is about 7.5 years old, the Urdu channel is about 5 years old, and the Bangla channel is about 2 years, 3 months old. Today, Peace TV network is the largest watched religious network in the world. It has a viewership of more than 100 million people, mashallah, actual viewers, not potential viewers. Potential viewers may be close to 1 billion. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's help. With the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we launched with a very small budget, and yet our budget is small. It is unlike the Christian missionaries. The Christian missionaries, they have big budgets. But the difference is that we have Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on our side.